Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. 10th question is, in the following figure, OA is equal to this length and AB is equal to BC that they have marked. Then we have to prove that. First one, angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. Second, triangle AOD is congruent to triangle COD. Third one, AD is equal to CD. In order to do the first question, let us take triangles AOB and COB. So let us write first part. In that first point is in triangle AOB and triangle COB. Second point, here AB is equal to BC, that is given in the question. So AB is equal to BC, that is given. Now third point is OA is equal to OC. Reason is given. Now fourth point is OB is common side to both triangle AOB and triangle COB. So reason is common side. We can write fifth point. Here in the case of these two triangles, three corresponding parts are equal. Side, here also side, then in this case also side. So we can write, therefore triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COB. That is by which test? By ICSE test. Therefore, as these two triangles are congruent, their corresponding parts, that is all corresponding sides and angles, are also congruent, that is equal. So we can say that this angle AOB, that is equal to angle COB. That is by what reason? CPC TC. Now sixth point we can write, therefore angle AOB is equal to angle COB. Reason is by CPC TC. Now seventh point, this angle AOB plus angle COB, that will give you 180 degree. That is angle in a straight line is 180 degree. So these two will constitute angle in a straight line, AOC. So we can write, therefore angle AOB plus angle COB is equal to 180 degree. Angle AOB plus angle AOB we can write, because this angle AOB is equal to angle COB by sixth point. So this is equal to 180 degree. So reason is by 6. In our case, we have to find out angle AOB as 90 degree. I have marked that with a different color. Now ninth point, 2 into angle AOB, that is equal to 180 degree. So 10th point, what is angle AOB? That is equal to 180 by 2, that is equal to 90 degree. So angle AOB is 90 degree. That is what we want. Now the second question. So there, 11th point. In that second part, we have to prove that triangle AOD, which is congruent to triangle COD. So these two are the triangles. So let us write, in triangle AOD and triangle COD, we are given OA as equal to OC, and also we know this OD, which is common to these two triangles. So we can write, next point is 12. OC is equal to OA. Reason is given. Now 13th point is OD is equal to OD. Reason is common side. Next 14th point. Here this angle COD, that is equal to angle AOD. What is that? That is 90 degree. That is from this 10th point we got angle AOB as 90 degree. AOB is this angle, and we got angle AOB as equal to angle COB from 6. So angle COB also 90 degree. Both are equal. So this angle COD that is equal to angle AOD and each is 90 degree. Because here also we are getting linear pair, that is total of this angle and this angle will give you 180 degree. So each will be 90 degree as in the first part of the question. So the three parts we got as equal in the case of the triangles AOD and triangle COD. So we can write 15th point as, therefore triangle AOD is congruent to triangle COD by this is side and this angle. So SA is test. Angle will come between these two sides there. Now third part of the question is we have to prove that AD is equal to CD. Here this AD and CD are corresponding sides of these two triangles AOD and COD. So they also will become congruent as those two triangles are congruent. So we can write third part of the question as, therefore AD is equal to CD, reason is CPC TC. Seventh question is, the following figure shows a triangle ABC in which AB is equal to AC. M is a point on AB and N is a point on AC. Says that BM is equal to CN. Then we have to prove that AM is equal to AN. Second one, triangle AMC is congruent to triangle ANB. Third, BN is equal to CM. Fourth one, triangle BMC is congruent to triangle CNB. First question, here the first point we can take is AB, which is given as equal to AC. So reason we can write as given. Second point, there also the reason is given. Now third, this total is AB. AB minus BM will get AM. So we can write AB minus BM. AC minus CN. That is subtracting 2 from 1. Fourth point, AB minus BM, that is AM, that is equal to AC minus CN, that will give you AN. So this is equal to AN. That is the first part we have to prove. Now the second. Fifth point, we have to prove that triangle AMC, which is congruent to triangle ANB. So let us take those two triangles. You can write in triangle AMC and triangle ANB. This is AMC triangle and this triangle is ANB. Here in these triangles we can see that this AB, that is equal to AC, that is given. So we can write that as sixth point, AC is equal to AB, that is given from 1. Now seventh point is AM is equal to AN, that is from this fourth point. So we can write from 4. Eighth point, angle A, which is for this triangle AMC, and angle A is for this triangle ANB also. That is common to both triangle AMC and triangle ANB. So we can write angle A is equal to angle A. Reason is common angle. This angle A means, which is the angle in the case of this triangle ANB, that can be angle BAC, and in the case of this triangle AMC, we can write this angle as angle MAC. Ninth point, this is one side and this another side and this one angle. So we can say that these two triangles are congruent to each other by side angle side test. This angle is in between the two sides. So we can write, therefore triangle AMC is congruent to triangle ANB by SAS test. Here if you draw these two triangles separately, it will come like this. So here angle A is common. So if you turn this figure in this way, you can see that this angle A is equal to angle A, then AC will become equal to this AB, this side and this side, then automatically this AM will become equal to AN. So these two triangles become congruent. As these two are congruent triangles, their corresponding parts here, this side CM and BN will become equal. So we can write 10th point. Therefore, BN is equal to CM. Reason is CPC TC. So now the fourth, that is here we want to prove that triangle BMC is congruent to triangle CNB. Here BMC and CNB we are drawing separately, BMC and CNB. So 11th point, in triangle BMC and triangle CNB. 12th point, this BM is equal to CN, that is given in the question. So we can write BM is equal to CN. Reason is given. Now 13th point, CM that is equal to BN. We got it from this 10th point. So we can write BN is equal to CM, that is from 10. 14th point, this BC is common to this triangle and this triangle. The original diagram is this, and in this BC is common to both triangle BMC and CNB. So we can write BC is equal to BC, that is common side. That is the reason. So in the case of these two triangles, we got three corresponding sides as equal. So we can write as 15th point. Therefore, triangle BMC is congruent to triangle CNB by SSS test. So we have proved the fourth part of the question also.